According to new data released by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, in the month of June, the country had a 0.8% interest rate increase in the price of goods and services. Director General of Statin, Carol Coy, on Friday gave a breakdown of the factors that contributed to the increase.
This increase was mainly impacted by the 1.7% increase in the index for the heaviest weighted division, which is the food and non-alcoholic beverages. All classes within this division registered increases for the review period, with the main contributors being oils and fats of 2.5%, vegetables, tubers, plantains, cooking bananas, which went up by 2.2%, cereal and cereal products up by 1.9%, meat and other parts of slaughtered land animals went up by 1.8%. Additionally, the index for the transport division rose by 0.9%, and this was mainly influenced by higher costs for fuel. The overall movement of the CPI was, however, tempered by the 0.5% decline in the index for the division housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels. This decline was attributable to the reduction in electricity, water, and sewage rates.
Now for your market updates. In foreign exchange trading for Monday, July 18, the US dollar sold for an average of $152.77. The Canadian dollar ended trading at $117.44. The pound sterling traded for $182.47, and the euro sold for an average of $156.08. The following reflects the movement of the JSE indices in Monday's trading session. The JSE index advanced by 1,063 points to close at over 300,000 units. The junior market index declined by 25 points to close at over 4,000 units. The combined market index advanced by 760 points to close at over 300,000 units. And the All Jamaican Composite Index advanced by 982 points to close at over 400,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 109 stocks, of which 45 advanced, 52 declined, and 12 traded firm. Stocks advanced for 1834 Investments Limited, Barita Investments Limited, and CAC 2000, 9.5% cumulative redeemable preferred shares. Stocks declined for 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited, Access Financial Services Limited, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company Limited. Trading firm were 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited Variable Preference, Jamaica Boilers Group, and Jamaica Public Service Company 9.5%. The overall volume leaders were Dollar Financial Services Limited with over 3 million units, Wigton Wind Farm Limited Ordinary Shares with over 2 million units, and Spurtree Spices Jamaica Limited with over 800,000 shares. In regional stocks, in Trinidad and Tobago, Cluca Investment Fund was the only active security posting over 12,000 shares. Zero securities were traded on the Barbados Stock Exchange. In regional news, on Monday, the Guyanese Shore-based Inc. signed an 11-year extension contract with U.S. oil giant ExxonMobil. More from Newsroom Guyana.
Regarding itself as a pioneering Guyanese company in the local oil and gas sector, Guyana Shore-based Inc. GISB has inked an 11-year extension contract with Esso Exploration and Production Guyana Limited, an ExxonMobil affiliate, for the provision of shore-based management and operation services. The contract will run until 2033 and builds on the previous contract, which was awarded to the company in 2017 and will expire in August this year. In these 5 years, GISB says it has directly invested over $300 million in enabling port infrastructure, real estate development, warehouse, and support services, has recruited, trained, and certified more than 1,000 Guyanese for key operational positions within the industry and beyond through its affiliates, catalyzed greater than US $500 million in investment in the Houston, Macdoum, East Bank, Demerara corridor by providing the enabling infrastructure and establishing the first oil and gas activity hub in Guyana and creating direct and indirect employment for more than 2,000 persons. At a ceremonial event held on Saturday, Minister of Natural Resources Vikram Bharat lauded the signing, noting that GISB has become a prime example of what is possible for Guyanese businesses in the country's relatively new oil and gas sector. Meanwhile, Executive Director of GISB, Robin Munishwar, said that the contract extension builds on 5 years of significant and continuous investment, hard work, training, and development of local capacity to create a world-class facility that meets the specialized needs of the oil and gas industry.
In market data for oil prices fell 2% after soaring more than $5 a barrel in the previous session, weighed by fears that an economic slowdown will hit oil demand, but tight supplies and a weaker dollar curbed some losses. Brent crude futures fell $1.62 to $104.65, and West Texas Intermediate crude futures fell $1.87 to $100.73 a barrel. And that was the business report on PBCJ. I'm Danita Rodney.